explain you how and all to attempt function questions. Okay, so some of my notes are there, my childhood notes. That childhood notes I'm going to use today to teach you all. Okay, now look here. The most of the questions when they will be asking you, first I need to share the link. Oi, sleep there. Yeah, I planned till 9 o'clock. After that, 10th class I will take. Go, ba, go. I hope you might have understood, Kishore. Kishore, today is a very important session. This video is going to be very, very important for you because today I'm going to teach the shortest trick for solving questions. Okay. Now, this is CBSE 2023 question. How to... So the shortest trick for solving the questions of into onto. Till now, into onto functions you have seen in a different way. Today I'm going to teach you into onto. Dharnesh, good evening, beta. What? This is very important class. Please don't miss the class. You will learn very important things today. Okay, now look here. What I'm going to explain you remember this part. Everyone, please focus here. So when we are studying these sections, get ready for it. When we are studying these sections, like they are asking cos, modulus of cos x and function is 3 pi by 4. Nothing you have to do. This is God gift question. Why God gift question 2023? God gift question came like this. Why God gift is exactly because here you have to write f of 3 pi by 4. After writing f of 3 pi by 4, it will become cos of 3 pi by 4. So here it will become cos pi minus pi by 4. So pi minus pi by 4 will be which axis? This is second quadrant. It will become minus cos pi by 4. Minus cos by pi by 4 means cos pi by 4. That is 1 by root 2. So what is the correct option is D. I hope you might have understood. Very good, Kishore. So this answer is coming as D. Got it? So this part is most important. Now we will go for the next question. So when this is one question which can be differentiating, which can be creating problem to you, but we have just substituted and got the answer. So this is easy method, correct? Now we will be going for the next question. Are you ready for the next question? We need to see many questions from functions. I'll teach you the most iconic questions. Now, beta, this question is how it is going to be solved. F of x, f such that r tends to r, and they are telling that f of x is equal to x square. Please, I am solving this question. F of x is equal to x square plus 1 is there. Understood? Then pre-image of f of x. That means pre-image means f of x. Whenever you are writing any function, remember this part. Whenever you are writing any function, this part will become image. Y will become image or f of x will become pre-image. Always remember, y will become image and f of x will become pre-image. Y will become image and f of x will become pre-image. That's the most important thing. Understood? So image and pre-image. So now beta f of x is coming as how much? F of x is coming as 17. So here it will become 17. So 17 is equal to x square plus 1. So minus 1, 1 will shift here. 17 minus 1 is equal to x square. X square is equal to 16. Take root. Modulus of x is equal to plus minus 4. Modulus of x will become what? Equal to plus minus 4. Yes. So plus minus 4k. Here also plus minus 4 is there. Here also plus minus 4 is there. So, but first part 17 is giving plus minus 4. Understood? So first part is giving plus minus 4 here also. So this and this will get cancelled. First part is not minus. Second is minus 3 is equal to x square plus 1. So minus 4 is equal to x square. This root under minus 4 is not possible. So second part will be 5. So the correct answer is option C. Kishore, absolutely correct. The correct answer here is option C. I hope you might have understood. The correct answer is option C. This is chapter 1 complete information. Now beta, this type questions, please kindly pay very nice attention and see. They are telling A and B are two functions. See, I am solving so that it will become easy for you in examination to analyze. A is coming as 1, 2, 3 and B is coming as 4, 5, 6 and 7. Understood? Now mapping is 1 to 4. You see, f of this part is written as 1 to 4, 2 to 5, 3 to 6 written. So be a function from A to B based on the given information. F is best known as which type of function? Is it surjective function? No. Surjective is onto. Onto is codomain must be equal to range. But here one element is left unmapped. Here range is a subset of codomain. Here codomain is not equal to range. So it is not onto. So surjective not possible. Surjective not possible means bijective not possible. Injective possible, yes, 1-to-1 correspondence. So answer is B. Absolutely correct. Both of you are absolutely correct. The correct answer is B. It is injective. What it is? Injective. I hope you might have understood how to attempt the question. Within few fraction of seconds, we are completing the questions. So here, understanding the part is most important. So please kindly understand this. Today, very important trick I am going to tell you for solving the questions. I hope till here it is clear. Now we are going to go to the second section. Okay, first part is, next question we are going to check. Now what they are asking is, here f of x is equal to 2 plus x square is not 1, 1, 1, 1. See, first work is, you check two things here. Everyone, how many are present in the group? Can you tell me? Kishore is there, Darunesh is there, Shivatsan is there. Only 3 people are there. Option is D. Very good. Good evening, Shivaranjani. Today, very important tricks I am going to see. Don't attempt until and unless I will not teach you these tricks. Understood not? So first, let me teach you one trick. Now look here. First thing is, whenever function, understand how we are going to do this. The entire onto and into functions, na, it depends upon few factors. Now look here. The first part is when they will be giving you this type. So here function is f such that R tends to R. For R tends to R, there is a trick. Understood? Domain is set of real number. Domain is set of real number. Got it? So now please understand this. Okay, when you will be talking about this class, you remember this one shortcut trick I'm teaching you. See, whenever f such that r tends to r is there, now f of x will give you x square or x4 or x6. Understood? X square, x4, x6, all variable to the power even number. Remember this very nicely. All variable to the power even number. It is not 1, 1. Done? It is not 1, 1. Understood? Whenever a variable, just you remember short, 1, 1 short you remember. Understood? I am telling you not to go with big things. Just try to understand small, small things. Here, what short thing I told you? I told you only one small thing, that whenever f of x is coming as x square, x4, x6, but a simple, simple thing in function I am teaching you. Please focus into this part, very shortest technique, because one function, one onto question is 110% coming in board exam. This is a confirmed section where we are solving question. Confirmed one question is coming. Understood not? One question is carrying 1 mark. Now 1 mark is also very, very important. So learn the technique of solving this question, beta. So whenever, this is never going to be 1, 1. When here real number will be there. Whenever domain will be real number, write in your note. Whenever domain will be real number, that time this type variables will never be 1, 1. Just see the question and say many one. Understood? See the question and say many one. Got it? See the question and say many one. This is one part work I have done. Second part is, ma'am, I'm having problem in onto. Yesterday to Trickle Kundam student, I promised that I'm going to teach you a shortest technique online, which is going to help you for finding onto function. Got it? So now, beta, first work is when somebody will be asking you about onto technique, what you are going to do? You need to learn one simple method. The method here is when बेटा सरस्वती पूजा, माँ सरस्वती को बोल करके मेहनत कर रहे हैं हम लोग यार, क्या करें? Now look here, f of x is equal to 2 plus x square is there. Understood? Now beta, I am teaching you increasing and decreasing function. If any function will either be increasing or it will be decreasing in a random way, it will be onto. It will be onto. But when you will be differentiating this one, f dash x, what you are getting? 2x. Understood not? So here when you are getting 2x, means x value will be randomly coming from which range? What is the range of this? What can be the range of this? You check the range of this. I will tell you how to find the range of it. Y is equal to 2 plus x square. Shift this side. So it will become y minus 2 is equal to x square. Take root on both sides. What is coming? Y minus 2 is equal to x coming, beta. So when y is equal to y, root under y minus 2 is equal to x, means root should not be negative. Root should not be negative. And here, beta, from where you are going to start? 2. So what is the range of it? Listen very carefully. What is the range of it? How I did? Onto, please check. Onto, please check how to find. Very carefully, one more time I am teaching you how to find onto. F of x is equal to 2 plus x square. Done? F of x is y. Y is equal to 2 plus x square. So y minus 2 is equal to x square. You have taken root. So x is equal to root under y minus 2. Understood or not? So here, when you will be writing from here, so what value you can start? 2 to infinity, open interval. Because the moment 2 to infinity part we are writing, open interval part we are taking. So 100% it is going to be what? It is not going to be onto. Why? Because onto means range should be equal to codomain. Here, what is your codomain? Your codomain is set of real number. What is your range? Your range is coming from 2 to infinity. So once range is coming 2 to infinity, codomain. So here range is a subset of codomain. So is it going to be onto? No, it is not going to be onto. So what is the option here? The correct option coming here, Madesh, I am online, neither 1, 1 nor onto. Say, Madesh, can you say what happened? Madesh, what happened? You start, join. Both, you can join offline, you can come online. I hope option D is you understood. First, what did I said? I said that x square, x4, x6, whenever power will be there, it will never be like that. Understood or not? Yeah. This is a way to write. This is way to write. How many children are present in the group? Please kindly send me. Hi. That's better only. 2 to infinity is it is coming. So everyone, those who are present right now in the group, please kindly say me hi, because this is a very important session and I don't want anyone to miss this part. So now I hope you might have understood what is the option here. D, neither 1 1 nor on 2. So this is most important. Thank you, Kishore, for saying me hi. What about other children? No one is online. All only one person is showing right now. They are present in the group. Okay, check your live or not, because without live I can't take attendance. Your red button should be on. Then only I can be able to check. Little bit fluctuation means I won't be able to count the number of students. How many are there? Huh? Hmm. Okay. Now look here. Now here in the next question, seriously, some children are they are making me irritated now. Now x is what? It is set of natural number. So all even numbers will be there. Naveen, good evening, beta. Please, Naveen, join this session. Very important tricks and 17 minutes. What you have missed, you see afterwards. But right now, you learn the technique. Here, function in function part f such that n tends to x is there. N is set of natural number. What is x, beta? X is exactly coming as natural number, but function x is equal to x square. X square means it will take all natural number in square form. 2, 4, 9, 16, 25. Understood or not? So this is x. And what is n? N is set of natural number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like this. Now they're telling that if f of x is equal to x square, then what type function it is? So here now, conditions applied. Conditions applied here means कि you need to check what is the domain. According to the domain, it can be 1, 1, or according to the domain, it cannot be 1, 1. So now look here, beta. Here, what is the natural number? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And what is x? X is exactly coming as 1, 4, 9, 16, 25. So 100% our function is f of x is given as x square. So now it is exactly going to be what type of function? We will not waste too much time. We will say it is a bijective function. Option D is going to be the correct answer. Directly we will say it is a bijective function. You just see beta how cleverly, without wasting time, I did. I just focused on x. I just focused on n domain, and then I solved the question. So this is exactly considered as the most safest area where we can do it in very short. Hmm? Yes. See, here you need to understand one thing, how it is 1 1. See, by this itself, it is very much clear. 1 to 1 correspondence is there because I did not proved it by increasing decreasing function. Better than that, the shortest technique I have used. If you will go with increasing decreasing function, means it will take time. So I made it in very shortest way. Yes. So this techniques will be much easier for you to solve the question. Correct now? Already one video it is there. Third video it is there. You can see that. Onto into very nicely I have explained. Last three videos now. First three videos, 1 day 3 videos I took. In that all the 3 videos relation function very nicely I explained. Use that video. Okay. Now we will go for the next one. Now look at this question you try solve very nicely. Now here x cube is there. Whenever x cube will be there, function f such that r tends to r will be there. In this type of functions, don't waste your time. When this is written, f such that r tends to r is written, f such that r tends to r is written, and f of x is equal to x cube is written. Understood not? It is self understood that it is going to be 1 1 on 2. Understood? So whenever like odd pair will x3, x5, x7, x9, it will become what? 1 1 on 2. Note down. The shortest way f such that r tends to r, real number will be there, odd numbers will be there. In just 1 minute, we will write that this is D option is the correct answer. 1 1 on 2 will be the correct answer. You don't need to waste too much of time. Directly it will come as 1 1 on 2. Why? Because odd functions are always having variable with odd degrees are always 1 1 on 2. It is always 1 1 on 2, and this is one of the most important part. I hope you might have understood this one. So this is one of the most crucial section for understanding the part. So 1 1 on 2 is there. You need to understand this one very carefully. How it is coming with a 1 1 on 2. What it is? 1 1 on 2. Got it? Bijective. So x to the power odd variable, whenever it will be there, it will come as 1 1 on 2. What it will come as? 1 1 on 2. So this is most important thing. See, anyone can teach mathematics, but the most important part is knowledge, because little bit mathematics 12th here and there means the entire story will collapse. This is the biggest problem. You're understanding? One little bit here and there going means the entire building of mathematics will collapse. Understood? The teacher who is teaching mathematics in higher secondary must be knowing the responsibility very nicely. Now CBSE 2024 question, come on, go for it, children. Don't do mistake in this question. What is the answer, Kishore? Come on, try this question. This is quadratic. You need to be very carefully checking this one. Well done, Kishore. It is not one. It is not one because it is quadratic. Understood or not? So quadratic is never going to be one. Correct? So here the direct factorization you will do means you will get the answer. Here nothing else. Direct factorization in exam you will do means you will come to know that it is getting factorized or not. Minus 5x plus x, it will not be getting factorized. But still it is not going to get factorized means it is not going to be 1. Understood or not? Next part is it going to be onto or not? So when we will be solving these part questions, it is not going to be onto. Quadratic na neither on 1 nor onto. So the moment neither 1 nor onto concept is coming, option D will become the correct answer. Understood? We'll go for the next question. Yes, no, sometimes in quadratic one value will not be coming. So that time also we have to be very cautious. Understand or not? So that time also every single time we need to be very judgmental. Your judgments are has to be very pakka beta. Now go for question number 34. And this part I am going to teach, but question number 34 do very nicely. Question number 34 do nicely. Yes. Quadratic part mostly it is not 1 nor onto. Understood? Quadratic sections is not 1 not onto. But here you need to check. Quadratic sections are not 1 nor onto. So now here we need to check, is it going to be 1 onto? 100% it is showing not 1 not onto. Kishore, very good, well judged. Super. So since it is quadratic, always in shortcut way. So today I told you now I'm going to teach you some very easy techniques. So here quadratic part is there. In the function itself, quadratic x square is there in both numerator and denominator. 100% neither 1 nor onto. So option D is going to be the correct answer. Without solving, we analyzed and solved. Now go for the next question. F of x is equal to 3x. Now it is for real R to R. So definitely this question is going to be linear. Linear is always linear. Here I told you one thing, कि whenever x will have odd degrees, here x to the power 1 means odd degree only. Whenever x will have odd degrees, highest degree is odd degree. It will be 1 on 2. So what is the highest degree here? 1. 1 is odd. Understood or not? 1 is what? Odd number. Here what is the highest degree of x? 1. And 1 is odd number. So what it is going to be? Very good, Shivaranjani. So here, very nice, perfect analysis. Super, both of you. It is exactly going to be 1 and onto. Now, did you understood how to handle functions? Correct? So it is coming as 1 and onto. I hope you might have understood how to handle the most specific and expensive questions of CBSE. Now I'll go for the next part. Come on, check this one out. Now solve this. X to the power 4. Are we going to waste our time for this question? X to the power 4. I taught you x to the power 4. Now come on, say what is the answer for x to the power 4. I taught a very single technique to you. All three of you are absolutely correct. One small single thing I taught you, and that is given x to the power even number will be there, has highest degree. It is not going to be 1 and onto. So what is going to be the correct answer for you, beta? The correct answer for you is going to be option D. I hope you might have understood this one. Come on, we will go for the next question and your time starts now. Modulus also remember, modulus is not 1 Modulus is not 1 One thing very important, modulus is not 1 that part, but here sometimes in modulus, listen me very carefully before writing any answer for this question. You need to check input, that is domain. Understood? If R to R given, then f modulus of x is not 1 got it? R to R, real number to real number given means it is not 1 but if real number is not given, a big field is not given, then it is a case of checking. Then you need to check there. Come on, go for it. Start checking that part. Come on, analyze this question and do it very nicely. D. This is the mistake most of the students are doing, beta. Neither injection nor surjection. Okay, Shivaranjani is telling A. Okay, Divya is telling D. Let's see, any one of you is correct. But this is a question where analysis is very, very important to be done. Otherwise, little bit mistake means this question is going to cut your throat. This is a very expensive question. Now look here. When such questions are coming, what is the most perfect analyzation? When such questions are coming, how to analyze this part? Now, beta, domain. So if somebody will be asking you, what is the domain here? Domain is A to A. Please understand first this one. It is not real number. If it might be real number means the story might have been totally different. Understood not? But here it is not real number. What they have given f such that a tends to n. And a is lying between what numbers? -1, 0 and 1. Here also -1, 0 and 1. Correct? So when you will put f of -1. Now f of -1, it will become -1 modulus of -1. -1 into 1, it is coming as -1. So -1, it is mapping with -1. 0 will map with 0. 1 will map with 1. I rest my case. Did you understood? Bijective. Super. So that means what? You need to check the domain, please. Children, I am telling you, in examination hall, remember my word. Yes, class 10 after this beta. After this, most probably 8:30, 8:40 I'll start, because first I have to teach class 12. Tomorrow also class 12. Hey, tomorrow you are having school, na? Tomorrow I'm making some short videos of chapter 1. Tomorrow I have to relax chapter 1. Okay. Now come on, check this one out. This is the most important part I'm doing. So please check this one out. One class already over, Vasant. Please kindly check that video. It is there in your group. Come on, children, go for it. Go for the next part. Huh? Which one? Which video? Yeah, I will be from morning itself. I'll start making that case studies videos of first chapter, and once the videos will be there, it will be released in your group. So total first chapter two, three, means total three chapter. This is the fourth video now, right now. So total 6 videos means chapter 1 over. Got it? So most important questions also I'll be sending so that you can practice. Understood? So beta, this question is done. Now we will go for this question. Come on, try this question out. You see, domain is exactly what? 0 to infinity. And range is 0 to 2. Very cleverly attempt this question. One shortcut technique I am teaching you. This is the shortcut technique, children. This shortcut technique you apply means you will be able to solve. Is it going to be 1, 1 or not? Linear function. Linear. X to the power degree 1 is there. So 100% it is going to be 1, 1. But it is going to be onto or not, that you need to check. Is it going to be onto or not? We are going to check. See, linear, I told you whenever x degree is coming as 1, that means it is 1, 1. What were over? Got it? Now onto we are going to check. How we are going to check onto? Check this one out. Y is equal to 2x x plus 1. Now you multiply, it will become xy plus y is equal to 2x. Okay. Now here x you take inside, it will become xy minus 2x is equal to minus y. Got it? So now x you are going to take common, it is coming as y minus 2 is equal to minus y. So x is equal to minus y by y minus 2. This is the most important part. Please kindly remember this one. What I did here is I converted, see, whenever codomain onto you have to check, you have two process. Either you can differentiate and find increasing and decreasing function. If you can't find increasing and decreasing function, make the function equal to y and find the value of x. So what should not be the value of y, beta? If y I will make it equal to 2, what will happen? What will be the disaster? It will become infinity. They told to domain should range should be 2. Can I add range as 2? No. So here itself range is not Range is a subset of codomain. So it is not going to be onto. So option A will become the correct answer. Analyzation has to be done like this. Beta, here the range can start with 0. The range can start with 0, but it will never be added because here it is written as closed interval 0 and 2. I will take 0, no problem, but I can't take 2 because, but here they are telling that the codomain is having 2. The codomain is having 2. So this is the biggest limitation, and this limitation is wiping out all the aspects. So this is the most important part. Please kindly note down this one. Do it. Did you got the points, Beta? This is function, very important sections. Did you last moment are you learning the small techniques? X to the power 1 means what, Beta? On 2 and 1 1. But here it will not be. Why? It can be 1 1, but not on 2. Why? Because we made it equal to y. X to the power 1, x to the power 3, x to the power 5. Video, now this video one time you see. Okay. In the beginning sections of 15 minutes, I taught how it is going to be 1, 1 and not 1, 1. Whenever x to the power 4, 6, even numbers will be there, it is not going to be 1, 1. It will always be not 1, 1. But when odd numbers will be there, like x to the power 1, x to the power 3, x to the power 5, then all this will be 1, 1 function. This I taught. Shortest technique of remembering. Understood or not? And then I taught about onto. For onto, what you have to do? You have to make it equal to y and get the value of x. So here, the moment you got the value of x, you see denominator, what is there? 2. So here, what they told, range is 0 to infinity domain. Range is 0 to 2. 2 is included. But according to our range, 2 should not be there. So 100% 2 will be left. Other numbers will be mapped. So since 2 is left means range will become subset of codomain. Understood? Range will become subset of codomain. So these are some sure shot technique to remember and solve the questions. Please kindly don't take a risk of these type of questions. You should solve these questions very nicely. Understood? Ha, beta. Note down, note down. This technique what I have used, you use it. Mostly they will ask variables only. Algebra. Huh. Both. Highest degree should be odd. In the entire function, highest degree should be odd means 1 1. Highest degree is even means onto. No, sorry, many one. Highest degree odd means 1 1. Highest degree even is many one. Did you got my point? How to do it? Now I'll go for the next question. Did you note it? Now I'll go for the next question. Check this one, question number 39, and your time starts now. At least one question. See, CBSE 2024 question. This question is not a small question. This is a very important question. Attempt this question. Study. Both of you study. Otherwise, beating will get on you. What is the answer for this question, beta? Huh? D. Neither 1 1 nor on 2. All functions are not like that. I punch you. I told you, you have to check the range, domain. Everything is not going to fit in the same shoes. See what they are telling. You are removing a very important point. First, you check here. You need to see this part. Your biggest target is this: f such that r plus tends to closed interval minus 5 to infinity given. This is a set of all positive numbers. It is set of all positive numbers. Now you first see what is your function. This is your function. F of x is equal to 9x square plus 5x minus 6x minus 5. Okay. Minus 5 is there. Correct. So now how we are going to bring 6 here? 9 means 3, 3, 5. So here 5 3 is a 15. 15 minus 3 will not come. Correct now? Then we have a shortest technique. Our shortest technique is we will differentiate it. Now this is the technique I am teaching you children. Remember this one. Now here it will become 18x plus 6. 18x plus 6. So now 18x plus 6 when you are taking, the moment you are taking 18x plus 6 equal to 0. So 18x is equal to minus 6. X will be equal to minus 6 by 18. X part is coming as how much? Minus 3 by 9. X part is coming as minus 3 by 9. Do you understood this part? X part is coming as minus 3 by 9. Once x part is coming as minus 3 by 9, sir, you don't have any other work, means go and disturb other people. Please kindly don't disturb me. What is that part? See, minus. But they are telling all positive numbers. See, this is it is increasing function or not. See, whatever value you will be putting, you will always be getting a positive number. Please understand here how the domain is exactly judged. When you can't do anything, you can't factorize it. You see, I got f dash x. Here f dash x is less than 0. So f dash x is negative. So it is increasing function. It is what? Increasing function. So the moment it is increasing means, what does this indicate, boss? F dash x value is coming negative means it is increasing only, na? It is increasing or decreasing? Increasing. The values are always increasing. So that means wherever increasing will be there, wherever decreasing will be there, separately, it is 1, 1. It is 1, 1. So either, listen, one new trick teaching, either f dash x is always greater than 0 or it is coming strictly less than 0. It is exactly going to be what? 1, 1. It is going to be 1, 1. Remember this rule. So whenever f of x will be greater than 0 strictly or less than 0 strictly, it is going to be 1, 1. Remember, this is the most important shot. It is going to give you what? 1, 1. Children, are you there listening me? Sir, can you delete what nonsense you have done? I hope you might have understood. So it is exactly going to be what? 1, 1. So this is going to be what? 1, 1. Please remember this part. Please remember this section. It is going to be 1, 1. Whenever it is strictly increasing or strictly decreasing, it is exactly going to be what? 1, 1. I hope you might have understood. This is the most important section. It is going to be 1, 1. I hope you have understood. Kishore, people, I am waiting for this. You have understood or not? Very good. Raghu, you need to understand that. See, you need to understand here कि whenever you are solving these questions, simple technique I am teaching you, children. You please remember this part. If anyone XYZ person also will ask, here this is given 9x square plus 6x minus 5. Differentiate it. It will become what? 18x plus 6 is coming. Correct? Now, if it will become equal to 0, it will give either a positive value or a negative value. Either it will give you a positive value or it will give you a negative value. So if the function, differentiated function, can either give you a positive value or a negative value, it will 100% always be 1 1. So it is going to be 1 1. Okay, fine, it is going to be 1 1. But is it going to be bijective or not? We have to check. Correct or not? Because subjective part is hanging still now. So now let's check. Application of derivatives. Yes, beta. I'm going to solve the case studies of application of derivatives and send you beta. Okay. Now everything I'm going to teach. Don't worry. Saturday, Sunday means here and Trikalkundram means I'm going to solve everything. Now look at. So this part is now going to be 1 1 or not. We need to check that part. All positive numbers. But beta here, first work is y is equal to 9x square plus 6x minus 5. Correct? So now y will go that side. 9x square plus 6x minus 5 minus y. Correct? Now quadratic pattern we are going because we have to find the value of x. So here it will become 9x square plus 6x minus 5 plus y. Understood? So discriminant find. Discriminant is equal to b square 36 minus 4 nines are 36 plus 5 plus y. Done. So what part it will come? So here it will become 36. Here it will become 1 plus y plus 5. So here it will become 36, 6 plus y. Understood or not? It is coming as 36, 6 plus y. Discriminant is coming. Did you understood? 36, 6 plus y. So now what is the value of x? The value of x will become minus 6 plus minus root under 36 this by 2a. 2 nines are 18. Understood or not? See, other sections are not at all troubling us. Positive, negative, x value will come. Understood or not? But our biggest region is this one. Here what is written? Y plus 6. So root under y plus 6 is most important. Root under y plus 6. Y should not be less than 6. Are you understanding? So y should not be less than 6. So y should not be less than 6 means y can be equal to minus 5. So minus 5 to infinity, all positive values will come. Understand or not? So here domain, codomain can become equal to range. So why codomain is becoming equal to range? Because here value of 6 means once you start substituting here, minus 5 plus 6, what will come? 1. Positive numbers. This is not one day job. Understand or not? This is not one day job. This is exactly the most important sections. And as a teacher, it is a very, very dangerous area to enter. Learning is a different thing. Teaching is a different thing. So also I'm taking so much caution in solving. You saw now? I made it equal to what? Y. I used discriminant method. What I got? I found discriminant. After finding discriminant means I substituted here. Understood or not? So here I checked this part is coming, x value. What is the formula for discriminant? X is equal to minus b. What is the formula? X is equal to minus b plus minus root under d by 2a. But we checked it. We did not check the remaining part. We checked root under d part. What we checked? Root under d part. And root under d part what? Very, very important. And root under d section, we handle it very carefully. I hope you might have understood. Huh? So it is going to be bijective. What it is exactly going to be? Bijective function. So this is one of the most important thing. 2017, 2024, bijective function is most important. So I hope you might have understood bijective function part. Substitution of D part. This one you are asking, Kishore. 6 will become 36. Minus 5 minus 5. So minus into minus. Discriminant is equal to b square minus 4ac. 6 square minus 4 into 9 into minus 5 plus y. So minus into minus will become plus. 36 plus 36, 5 plus y, correct? So here 36 will be there, 5 plus y plus 1. So 36, 6 plus y. I checked 36, 6 plus y. Now x here will become what? X value. Wait, I'll check that. X will be equal to minus 6 plus minus root under 36, 6 plus y by 2 into 9. Okay, so here it will become minus 6 plus minus 6, 6 plus y by 2 nines are 18. Understood? So here 6 will come out means it will become minus 1 plus minus root under 6 plus y by 3. But here problem is not this one. Problem is root. Understood? So root under 6 plus y. Y value given here is y is belonging to closed interval minus 5 to infinity. They have given this one. And that is exactly matching. Minus 6 we cannot include. The moment we will put minus 6 plus 6. So here it is coming from minus 5. So 100% it is matching our command. They'll not give like that type of questions. They'll not trouble you that much. Because in examination, they don't want you to struggle. They will be giving you lengthy questions. You are understanding? They will give you that type questions which will be damn lengthy so that you will waste so much of time. This is waste questions. You see, 2017 also they gave this question and 2024. If any student not knowing, proper training is not there and they will write the examination, think what will happen. Are you understanding? In school they taught? Now you understood? Proper training is needed for these questions. If proper training is not there means a 100% problem will come. Understand, Nabita? So board questions coming means that is an indicator that like this questions they will ask. But this question do you want to solve? In NCERT book itself this question is there. Please kindly refer it very nicely. One time odd numbers putting, one time even numbers putting. One time odd numbers putting, making range coming as real number. One time even number putting, coming range as real number. So 100% what type answer is coming? See, this is exactly what very simple technique now. When you are using n, you check here, n when you are using, check odd. So f of 1. So 1 minus 1 by 2. It will come as 0. Understood or not? So when n is coming as odd, when n is coming as even, so all positive and negative numbers you have to check. Check very precisely this question, beta. F is a function from set of natural number to integers. Set of natural number to integers. So set of natural numbers will be what, beta? Set of natural numbers will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Set of integer is minus infinity to plus infinity. Understood? So when you are putting 1, it is coming as 0. Correct? When you are exactly putting set of integers. So definitely when you will be putting 2, 2 means even number. So it is coming as minus 1. Correct? When you are putting 3, 3 means odd number. So it is coming as 1. When you are putting 4, 4 it is coming as minus 2. That means one time when you are putting even number, it is taking you negative. If you are taking odd number, it is taking you positive numbers. So it is from minus infinity to plus infinity, all the range is satisfied. So it is 1, 1 on to both. It is 1, 1 on to both. Are you getting ideas how to solve the questions? Correct or wrong? Please, these videos are very, very expensive videos. Correct now? If you will see one more time, you will get the clarity. What did I said? You remember now? But one time you are putting from 1. 1 putting means why, where you are going to put 1? Odd number. Then here it is becoming 0. When you are putting even number 2, it is becoming minus 1. Again you are putting here odd number 3, it is coming as 1. So whenever you are putting odd number, it is taking you to positive numbers. Whenever you are putting even number, it is taking to all negative. Negative numbers are exactly getting smaller and smaller. So it is going to acquire the set of number between minus infinity to plus infinity. So I hope this information is well done, well received information. I hope you might have got this point. So this is most important, most important sections. So this is very, very expensive classes. See, generally now it came, this is what I was waiting for. Come on children, this is the most important sections. Don't lose that. Assertion, reason, questions only. Question number 41, come on, go for it. Assertion, reason, case studies. We reached assertion, reason and case studies. See, domain range, solve and say. You should be using your hand and solving. Don't wait and read only. Is it done? I punch you. Hmm? What is the correct answer? Oi. Divya, what is the correct answer, beta, here? The answer is absolutely wrong. I'm sitting there, I'm solving the question. Domain is 1, 2, 3, 4. Range is 3, 6, 9 and 12. So see, it is very easily detectable question. You see how to attempt this question. Domain is 1, 2, 3, 4. Range is 3, 6, 9, 12. If you are putting x is equal to y is 3x is equal to y. So when x is coming as 1, so this is 1 on 2. Domain and range of the relation is respectively the set of all first and second entries of distinct ordered pair of the relations. This is the biggest example of this part. This is opening the era and reflecting you that this opening the sections and reflecting you that this part is coming. I hope you might have understood this. Clear. I am coming. I punch you after that. Kya hua? So what they are telling that ki 1, 2, 3, 4. See what they are telling. Domain and range of the relation is respectively the set of all first and second entries of the distinct ordered pair of relation. So distinct ordered pair of relation, this is first and the second entries. Understood? So the first one is representing domain, the second one is representing range. If you will not be present in by, yes, absolutely correct, Shivaranjani. This is what I was waiting for a moment, beta. Very good. So the correct answer is A only. Understood or not? So beta, entries are there. The entries, the ordered pair entries, A and B, this is representing domain and this is representing range. Come. So here domain and range entry 1, 3, 2, 6, 3, 9 and 4, 12, and that's what they are telling. I hope you might have understood. So this is representing the part. So answer. So only I am standing here for hours to teach you people. I am not having any other work. I am cancelling all my work for you people. Please kindly at least have respect of that. Today I am going to request to class 12th student. Those who are not interested to study, please kindly leave the group. I am not in interest to teach that idiots. Now come on, go for it, Ray. Try A, B, C, D. Because they're not joining the sessions, they're not answering. See, 4 videos means 4 hours. Will they have time to read that 4 hours? They'll never see the video for 4 hours. Current, if they will be attending, means they'll get the ideas. Outside children are learning, but our own coaching students are like, they are thinking like everything they will be able to do. Seriously, I'm feeling very, today I'm going to request them to get out of coaching. No need to teach like that type of students. Option A. Now, Kishore, this is not that question where you can do little bit. Here now, very important part is there. I think you must be checking this part. Assertion R is a relation defined on set of natural number such that this part is 2x plus y 24. Then R is equivalence relation. First, though, R is never going to be equivalence relation. Absolute Watson. That's the point. Here, both of you for the Srivatsan Kishore, sorry, Shivaranjani Kishore, for first answer, your analysis is correct. But here, the second answer, option is C. No, Divya. Assertion is wrong, beta. Assertion is wrong. 2x plus y equal to 24 is a wrong part, beta. Reason is an equivalence relation. Our relation is equivalence relation is totally wrong. So assertion is wrong. Reason is true. Why reason is true? A relation is said to be equivalence if it is reflexive, symmetric, and transitive. So reason is true. Assertion is false. So it is option D. Understood not? Option D is assertion false, reason true. Check. Option D is assertion. Assertion false, reason true is option D. I think by mistake she typed. So assertion false, reason true is option D. Now we will go for next question. Come on, go for question number 43 and do this question nicely. Assertion, reason, more questions we will do. We have time, yeah, 9 days. In that 9 days, the 9 chapter we will open and read. Full day we will study. 9 days before examination time is there now. Board exam. Yes. 9 days are 9 days. I'm going to be very like Rudra Rupam. Don't worry. Come on, come on, come on, come on, try. Huh? Yeah. If a relation R is defined as A modulus of this, then R inverse is equal to R. Come on, come on, come on, try. How many? You took Tamil also? For you, how many days? You also took Tamil. You took Tamil. Yoga. See, yoga you have to learn. Yoga 8 days is there. Punch you. That full time we will study. Wrong. Tamil and all exam na. Tamil, you people are very well versed. You are very best in Tamil. You are 80 out of 80 in Tamil. Maths, you please study. Before maths, how many days are there, Divya? Huh? Can I punch you? Can I seriously punch you? You are thinking about yoga exam. Yeah? Paityam. Hello? I'm in online class. I'm scolding students. Say. You just Tamil is Tamil. Why you took Tamil? Yeah, you might have taken yoga. Like this exercise over chapter. Ayo, Guruji, can you tell me how many days are there before your maths exam? Then maths you do now onwards. Hey, can you tell me how many days are there before? Very good. Congratulations. I am killed by you people. Kill me, kill me. Now to no gap. Every day, everybody will join the classes. No holidays, specifically for Tamil students. Now only start reading Tamil. That time maths examination disturbance coming up, punch you. Wait, night 2 o'clock. till 10 o'clock till 2 o'clock night, full 3 hour, 4 hour I will teach, and morning you study Tamil, evening you study maths. Like that. And for yoga, you have to do any work. You are wasting my time right now. Now look at Paityams. Don't say like that. 5 days, 3 days I will teach you maths. 2 days, 50 days you are going to use for Tamil. Mama, you forget about anything. Maths, see, after your chemistry exam, 6th March, chemistry exam 28th over, na? 1, 2, 3. 3 days full of maths. 4, 5, only Tamil. That 4, 5 days in Tamil, whatever you can do, you do. Now only you start reading Tamil. Understood or not? But I will not listen anything unwanted. Uh, you're making me mental. Chalo, solve this question, right? What is the answer? This is R inverse 100%. It is going to be R inverse will be equal to R. This already I have discussed in the first 3 videos. This part I taught that whenever any function like this will be there, R will be equal to R inverse. But here what they are telling that in for above relation, domain of R inverse is equal to range of R. Domain of R inverse is equal to range of R is a correct statement. But this is not explaining A. A is exactly less equals part. Domain R is equal to R inverse is a statement for inverse relation. Understood or not? But this is not fitting here. Understood? So here answer is B. Why? This is a condition coming because of this. Understood? This is a for above relation domain of range, that is true. Domain will be equal to assertion true, reason is also true. But reason is not explaining why R inverse, na? See, understand this one. 43rd question, you try understand this one. See, domain is equal to, whenever definition is coming, domain of R will be equal to range of R inverse. This is a statement for R is equal to R inverse. Here one simple example I am giving you, beta. I am telling you that, beta, this is going to be relation possible, and when these values are coming, then R inverse will be equal to R. That means when inverse you will do. See, check this one out. What in all values are coming? You check. 1, 2, 3 is there, na? Huh? If I will put here 1, if I will put here 2, if I will put here 3, 1, 2, 3 I will put, definitely I'll get some values, correct? So whatever values I'm getting here from domain and range, so both will be 1, 2 and 3. Remaining part will be coming. So that means what? It is a clear cut indication that range, if it will revert, answer will come same. Answer will come what? Same. So since answer is coming same, it is going to be what type relation? Inverse relation. R will be equal to R inverse. That's a part. That is part because of this statement. Always R will not be equal to R inverse. In all the situation, when you will write y is equal to 3x, is R equal to R inverse? No. For this situation, R is equal to R inverse. So reason should say why R is equal to R inverse in this situation. But they are telling R is equal to R inverse, domain is equal to, that giving a statement that when R is equal to R inverse is coming, that means domain of R is equal to range of R inverse. But they're not explaining why here R is equal to R inverse. Did they explain why here R is equal to R inverse in this question? No. They just gave a they gave a point about R is equal to R inverse. So it will be B. Remember very nicely, little bit mistake means they will cut your throat. Remember this part. So now go for question number 44. I am checking you people. You do that work. Did you got the answer here? What is the answer for this question? Question number 44. They're telling the relation this is prime number is not a reflexive relation. 100%. The number this is composite for all natural numbers. Not possible. 2 into 1 is not a composite number. No? Here itself it is failing. Assertion is true, but reason is false. Re Mata. Here, if 2 into 1 you will write, it is not a composite number. It is 2. 2 is a prime number. But they are telling the number 2n is composite for all natural number n. No, no. First natural number itself start with C. This question means you will kill the question. If little bit alert, you will not be. So here, this question 2n. Start n with 1. It is 2. 2 is not a composite number. 2 it is a prime number. So 100% here itself the situation. Composite numbers are those numbers who have more than two factors. Like 4 is a composite number. Why? Because 4 is divisible by 1, 4 is divisible by 2, 4 is divisible by 4. A number more than having one factor is a composite numbers. 2 factor means prime number. 3 factor means composite number. Understood? 6 is a composite number because 6 is divided by 1, 2, 3 and 6. Wow, I'm so proud of myself. Now at class 12, I'm teaching class 12 composite number and prime number. I am having so high level of guts with me. Seriously, I'm Pavam. No, I'm not Pavam, I'm Paitiyam. Now go for question number 45. I hope you might have understood this one. Now this section is what they are telling, that a function y is equal to defined as this is equal to pi, then domain of fx is equal to r. Wow, Pythium question, super. R is domain. Here itself, story over. Check this one out. Cot inverse y is equal to 0 to pi. That's a true statement. Reason is true. Assertion only check. This is not explaining this 100%. It's an independent entity. This is not explaining that part. Check. This is reason is true 100% because cot will be defined for 0 to pi. That's open interval 0 to pi defined. Now y is equal to fx, but fx is equal to set of real number. Understood not? So here f of x is set of real number. That means this part will be coming. Have to do one thing. Here it will become cot inverse pi. Cot inverse plus pi part will be there. Understood not? So definitely this statement will become wrong. Understood not? Because assertion will not be defined for this cot inverse. This part is not defined. Absolutely correct. Are you understanding? So where pi will become x square minus x is x minus cot pi, we can understand. X square minus cot inverse y is equal to pi is not defined. So definitely assertion is wrong. Reason is true. So shall we continue in next class? Because we have to go for case studies also for this. Okay. I'm keeping it till here, little exhausted, need some relaxation. Bye bye.